Hello students, this is Nidhi Rani, your science teacher. Through this video, we are going to study about the topic of characteristics of living organisms from chapter 9, living organisms and their surroundings, chapter of science from grade 6. So let's start. Characteristics of living organisms. You can see two pictures over here. In first picture on the left hand side you can see living things. Living things like there is a bird, an animal, there is grass and a human being. While the non-living things you can see a well, a scissor, a stone and a basket. Whenever you are supposed to differentiate between living and non-living things, you can see that living things, they can eat food, they can breathe, and they also grow and reproduce, while non-living things, they do not eat, breathe, grow or reproduce. So, characteristics of living things are growth and cells. All living organisms are made up of cells and they also grow and develop. Second is food and nutrition. All living organisms need food for their survival and to get energy for doing various activities. Next, lifespan. Living organisms have a definite lifespan. Reproduce. Living organisms reproduce to give birth to the young ones of their own kind. Movement. Living organisms can move from one place to another. Respiration. The cells of the body break down the food to release energy, which is known as respiration. Excretion. The waste material of the body is excreted from the body. Response to stimuli. All living organisms respond in various ways to stimuli that is provided by the surroundings. So let's study the points in detail. First is living beings are made of cells and grow. Living organisms are made up of tiny units called cells. Some organisms are unicellular, while others are multicellular. When cells start to divide, cell number increases and size of body also increases. Animals and humans stop growing at an age, but plants keep on growing throughout their life. Second, movement. Movement could be external or internal. Movement may or may not involve a change in position of an organism. Plants show some kind of external movement. Third, food and nutrition. Living organisms need food for survival. Food gives energy for growth and for doing works. Plants prepare their own food known as autotrophs. Animals depend on other animals for their food are known as heterotrophs. Fourth, respiration. It is a process to release energy when food react with inhaled oxygen and also exhale carbon dioxide. Energy is used to perform various activities. Plants also perform respiration, but this process is slow at daytime. Fifth, reproduction. It is a process of producing new organisms of their own kind. Some animals give birth to babies and some lay eggs. Plants produce seeds inside their fruits. These seeds, when sown in soil, produce new plants of the same species, means of the same kind. Sixth, excretion. It is a process to remove waste from the body. During inside activities, waste is produced in our body and it is removed in the form of urine, sweat and impure air. Plants excrete water vapors and impure air from stomata. Seventh, response to stimuli. Anything that triggers a reaction in an organism is called stimuli. The reaction of the organism is called response. We perceive such changes in the stimuli with the help of our sense organs. Plant stem grow towards light is called phototropism. Lifespan. It's a period of living organisms from birth to death. All living organisms take birth, grow and die. This is a natural process and unique to all living organisms. Every organism has a different lifespan. As you can see in the table given, like mayfly has a lifespan of only 1 day. Butterfly lives for 1 to 2 weeks. Wheat plant has a life of 6 months. Crow has a life of 15 years. Dog can live maximum up to 25 years. Banana tree 25 years. Humans maximum lifespan 100 years. Parrot 140 years and banyan tree can be as old as 200 years. I hope the topics are clear to you. Thanks for watching.